What if every morning you opened your eyes to your dream home, living the life you've always desired? Can you imagine the rush of fulfillment and joy that comes with having everything you've ever wanted? Dive into a world where your aspirations become reality, and the extraordinary becomes your everyday. Ready to explore the sensation of truly having it all? Waking up this morning in my new home in Scottsdale was an indescribable experience, like the culmination of a long-awaited manifestation. It felt like everything fell into place, and I could finally articulate the unique sensation that came with achieving a desired goal. The prevailing emotion was an overwhelming sense of peace that enveloped me. It dawned on me why this manifestation took its time. It was always meant to be this particular house. There was a profound energetic alignment that I could sense, and it justified the lengthy journey to get here. It's hard to put it into words, but it just felt right. There was a deeper understanding that the timing was crucial. Moving in during the fall, a season synonymous with harvest, added a layer of significance. It felt like I was entering a period of abundant fruition, maximizing and amplifying the positive energy around me. The void that existed before, stemming from the absence of my sanctuary, was now filled. Even though the house was devoid of furniture, the bare walls echoed a sense of divine perfection. In an unexpected turn, most of our furnishings were given to our house manager, an immigrant who moved to the United States not long ago. We had formed a strong connection with her in Las Vegas, and when we relocated to Scottsdale, she followed suit. The sheer size of this new home surpassed any I had lived in before, contributing to the unique energy that surrounded me. Despite the lack of furniture, there was an overwhelming feeling of abundance and fulfillment. This experience has not only given me a physical space to call home, but also allowed me to tap into an energetic frequency that resonates with the manifestation journey. In my expansive new home, with its numerous rooms and spaces, the absence of furniture hasn't diminished the profound satisfaction I feel. Currently sleeping on a mattress on the floor, awaiting the arrival of our bed frame and other furnishings in January, I find myself content with the minimalistic state of the house until then. The energy resonating within these walls aligns perfectly with what I've been seeking, surpassing the countless other houses I've explored. As a non-specific manifester who places great importance on feelings, the journey toward manifesting this dream home was a unique one. While my visual expectations may not always align, the emotional resonance consistently guides me. This house, discovered through the process documented in the Manifestation Reset, has exceeded even my lofty visual expectations. The program was instrumental in revealing and overcoming specific fears and blockages along the way. Reflecting on the lessons, fears faced, and the highs and lows of living here, I recognize that my current level of appreciation is in parallel. Immersed in gratitude and appreciation, I'm filled with endorphins, experiencing a profound sense of relief and peace. This journey has made me ponder the significance of time in manifestation, whether the longer path was necessary for me to truly value and appreciate what I've achieved. The universe, through the law of polarity, guided me through every version of what I didn't want, offering clarity with precision. The prolonged process brought me to a state of profound appreciation and gratitude, making me question whether I would have felt the same if things had unfolded more quickly and easily. Waking up in my dream home this morning, I tuned into the precise feelings of this moment, realizing the depth of clarity and fulfillment achieved through the intricate manifestation journey. For those seeking deeper insights and spiritual growth, explore more transformative content by clicking on the I button above. Elevate your spiritual journey and dive into a realm of profound wisdom and self-discovery. When one successfully materializes their desires, there's a distinct sensation that we collectively tap into and must embrace to facilitate the manifestation. Can this elation be articulated? Is there a metaphor that captures this feeling? making it relatable for others to grasp the anticipation and ultimate realization of their desires. Manifestation shares parallels with the experience of a prolonged, patiently awaited release. The journey involves enduring tension, anticipation, and periodic doubts. Is it going to happen? When will it happen? The initial spark of desire is akin to the early moments of arousal, where excitement builds and expectations take root. The entire manifestation process mirrors the journey towards an orgasm marked by peaks, troughs, plateaus, proximity, and occasional setbacks. In this journey, frustration arises. But I've noticed that easing tension and embracing a relaxed approach often accelerates progress. As one navigates the process, the capacity for pleasure expands, leading to a climax that surpasses initial expectations. The culmination of manifestation becomes a grand event, an explosive release of all the built-up tension. It's a moment of revelation, where the manifestation not only arrives but exceeds one's imagination. After achieving your desired manifestation, there's a unique post-fulfillment sensation lying there, reminiscing, your body pulsating with endorphins, akin to a runner's high. It's a state of relaxation, clarity, relief, and profound peace, a feeling so good that you're entirely present, free from worries about the past or future. This morning, as I woke up, I found myself in that exact state, reminiscent of post-orgasmic bliss. This immediate aftermath, much like the post-orgasmic state, is where you're no longer preoccupied with the uncertainty of whether your desire will materialize because it's already here. You're living it, and you're experiencing it in the present moment. The focus shifts from past or future concerns. It's all about the now. This feeling is what I'll forever associate with my current home, a reminder for future manifestations. Recognizing that manifesting desires involves tuning into the frequency of already having them, I intend to anchor myself in the post-orgasmic state. I'll ask myself, who is the version of me on the other side of the tension, pressure, and build-up? The one lying in bed, high on endorphins, completely clear, relaxed, with a deep knowing that in this moment, all is well. The journey toward manifestation might be a roller coaster, much like the varied experiences leading to an orgasm: ups, downs, peaks, valleys, plateaus, speed changes, and slowdowns. Yet, eventually, inevitably, the climax arrives. The same holds true for manifestation, regardless of how long it takes or how many attempts it requires. So, the next time you're manifesting a dream home, the ideal body, a baby, financial abundance, a career breakthrough, new relationships, or any other desire, channel the post-orgasmic state of mind. In my experience, that's the sensation to emulate. That's the energy to tune into, a feeling of absolute fulfillment and well-being. Thank you for embarking on this journey with me. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with others so they can benefit from this message, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching the video. Take care and see you soon.